Yo, what is up guys, it's Nick back with another video, and today I got another unboxing for you guys. Now this package is from a Sneakers and Stuff. It is an Adidas package. Now I don't want to spoil it too much, but these are some pretty nice shoes. They did sell out, so I'm really happy that I got these shoes, and I'm pretty sure I got them on sale, which is awesome. I think I got them for like $139, which is pretty nice. So without any further ado, before we get into this unboxing, just go ahead and smack that subscribe button. I really appreciate that. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the Supreme Spring Summer 2018 season. Thank you guys so much if you guys did hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And let's go ahead and just jump right into the video. Okay guys, first impressions of the box. This side is nice and sealed right here, but as you can see over here, we do have this little tearage going on here, but you probably can see that the white strings are still intact, so nobody did get into this package. But I'm going to go ahead and break that right now, trying to get into it. But like I said, I did get this from Sneakers and Stuff for a pretty good deal. If you guys don't follow Boost Links or the Soul Supplier or any of those Twitter feeds, they're nice for trying to get like any kind of Adidas shoes, especially Boost Links, just because Boost is Adidas, but they're pretty nice that they tweet out links to shoes and good deals on pretty hype shoes all the time. So let's go ahead and just slice through this package right here. Now right on top we do have this little cardboard box. That's pretty nice. Right here, you guys can't see this, but I do have my receipt and a return packing slip if they do not fit, so that's pretty nice. Put that to the side, and let's go ahead and get into the main event of this box. Now by the looks of this box, you probably know that it is Ultra Boost. Let's see, I got a size 11 in the I don't even know what these are called, but it's like a gray and like Tech Men, I'm pretty sure, with a white heel cap. I'm gonna switch to a another camera angle so you guys can get a better look at the shoe. So let's go ahead and switch it right now. Alrighty you guys, as you can see, I switched to this nice little unboxing setup right here. We got the Boost box along with the Adidas logo on this side. Also got the Adidas logo on this side. You guys already know what the Ultra Boost box looks like, so I don't even know why I'm going over it. But as you can see, I got a size 11 in this Ultra Boost. So let's go ahead and just show you guys the actual shoe, because this shoe I think is pretty fire. I think a lot of people slept on it, but it did sell out, so not too many people slept on it. But here we go, the new 4.0 Ultra Boost with these nice all white heel cap. I'm gonna get some B-roll footage of this because it looking pretty nice. Alrighty guys, so we got this nice 4.0 Ultra Boost right here. Now this is kind of crazy to say, but this is my first 4.0 Ultra Boost that I have gotten so far. This is my first Ultra Boost also that has the 3D printed heel cap, so I already like this a whole lot. I know a lot of people at my school have the 4.0 triple whites, and that 3D printed heel cap is really nice. Doesn't really scratch all that often, just because it is that nice rough material compared to the 3.0s, 2.0s, and 1.0s. They had that nice smooth plastic feel, and that scratched a whole lot, especially when the finisher came off. That scratched a whole lot, which kind of stunk because most of the 2.0s were really shiny on those heel caps, and then all that shine just rubbed off, and then you saw that ugly plastic underneath. So that was a big bummer when I had the 2.0s, but now that the 4.0s are out, we also got that new heel cap along with a new brand new cage. Now this cage is pretty much a scratch resistant, as I can probably tell. Now this plastic is different from the 3.0s. The 3.0s was more of a plastic transparent feel. Now these are more of a like hard plastic feel, but are more flimsy than the 3.0s were. Now this also, we got the new shoelaces. Now these shoelaces aren't a solid color. I'm gonna get a close-up of that, but they are like a peppered in light gray and dark gray color. I'm not sure how I like that. I'd rather much see a white shoelace on this shoe. Might just have to switch this shoelaces out. That would be pretty cool. Now, as on every Ultra Boost except for the 1.0s, we do have that Continental's rubber sole. As you can see, the Continental rubber logo right there, along with our torsion system like we have on every single Ultra Boost that have ever came out. And then up at the top of the toe, we do have our Adidas logo. And if you keep looking on your way up, you see that 4.0 pattern. Now, if you guys have the triple whites, that 4.0 pattern is really pristine, and you know, you guys, I like that pattern right there. It reminds me of the 1.0 pattern. In all honesty, I think the 1.0 pattern is the best, and the 3.0 pattern is pretty nice too. In most colorways, it looks pretty nice. I didn't really like the triple white 3.0s just because they weren't really triple whites. They had the gray peppered in. But anyways, this shoe, it's pretty much it for this shoe. I really like it. Let's go ahead and wrap up the video. Guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing of the 4.0 gray Ultra Boost with the white heel cap. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I got so much more content coming your way, along with Supreme, more shoe unboxings, crazy unboxings, crazy live caps. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you guys didn't know, I am doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys want to know how to get into that giveaway, just go to the link in the description below to a video, and it'll show you how to get into the giveaway. So guys, like I said again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.